Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add initiatives in Jira. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once in, go to the project where you want to add one. Now, click on the three dots beside the project name and select Project Settings. Once in, go to Work Types and click Add Work Type. Now, just create a new one. For here, name it as Initiatives. You can add a description if you'd like and change its icon. You can upload a photo or choose one that is provided by Jira. For here, I'm gonna go and choose on this one and select it. Now just create it. After it is created, go back to your project and click on the Create button at the top. Now if you go to Work Type, you have the option to choose Initiatives. For here, just type in the required information, then add a summary as it is required and click on Create. And now you have your issue, and if you go ahead and look at it, you will see that it is an initiative type. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.